Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to be cooking some of these roasted garlic mashed potatoes here. Now I had this left over the other day by mistake somehow or another. It's these cheesy creation ragu. It's roasted garlic parmesan. And so I had it left over and I couldn't figure out what I was going to do to it, and then I was looking around and lo and behold there's a recipe on the back side of it here. And I'm going to do a variation of it. I'm not going to do exactly like what they said. And for one thing, I'm only going to use about 1.5 pounds potatoes instead of 3 pounds. But then we'll go from there. So let me get started, and the first thing we'll do is get these potatoes out and get them washed off, and I'll be back. Okay, now I've got these washed off pretty good here, and the next thing we'll do, I'm going to pump up my sprayer before I try to do anything, because it's not going to do any good if I don't pump it up. I'm going to spray a little olive oil on these things, just enough so they'll hold the spices I want to put on them here. Then we'll put some this Mrs. Dash garlic and herbs here, salt free. Sprinkle some of that on. I'll take some black pepper. A little salt. Now we'll mix that up pretty good right here. That looks pretty good right there now. Alright, now the next thing we'll do, I've got 1.5 cups water right here. I'm going to put in this Ninja FOODi. Now I'm just going to pour it right in here. I got the crisper basket in there. I'm going to leave that in there. I'm just going to pour this water in like that. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take these potatoes, just dump them right in here. Just like they are. And now the next thing we're going to do is put the pressure lid on. Right clockwise it locks. Make sure it's sealed and not vent. And then we're going to come over here and turn on the power. And we'll go ahead and hit the pressure. We'll leave it on high. We're going to run this thing up to 12 minutes. And that's all, no more than 12 minutes. Now we'll go hit start. And there it goes. Now, as you know from watching our videos and other people's videos on Ninja FOODi, it chases its little lights around until it builds up the pressure. And then the little red button up the back pops up and then it'll start counting down. So while we got a second, if y'all can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. And if you have a chance, check out the links down below. You might see something you like from Amazon or something. And so we'll start counting down now and just wait until this thing starts. Okay, that's only been about 8 minutes and this little button back here popped up in the back. So it's sealed. And so now we'll just wait for it to start cooking here. And after the little red button comes up back there, it usually takes a couple of minutes before it starts to actually count down the cook. Okay, and there it went. Now the actual time from the time the button popped up to the time it started cooking was about 3 minutes. So now, I know you don't want to sit here and just watch that clock go around, so through the miracle of YouTube and this camera and a bunch of other stuff, we'll catch up to it in a minute. Alright, we're down to about 10 seconds on this cook here, so we're getting ready to release the pressure off this thing in just a second here and get these things out of this pot and see what they look like. Okay, now it says done. Let me raise the camera up just a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, we'll go back here and just hit the release button here and turn it over to vent. Now when I do this, you're not going to hear what I'm saying, so it just drowns it out. So we'll be back in a second. Okay, now it's been releasing for 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and there it went. It just dropped down. So now, let me move this around just a little bit so I can control it a little bit better. Well, counterclockwise. Don't forget, when you open this lid, you make sure you don't turn it towards your face. Turn it away from your face. Turn it upside down. Keep the water in it, and put it right over here in this sink. Now, look at those. Boy, those look good, don't they? Yes, sir. Them look good. Anyway, the next thing we're going to do, I'll try to get them out of this pan here without burning myself. Just like this. We'll bring them right over here and dump them right in this bowl. I've got this, got a little bit of butter in there. I'll tell you how much in just a second. Okay, now I had 2 tablespoons of butter in there. So, yeah, see how soft these are? These go, that's going to be so good right here. So, next thing we'll do is we'll take this Ragu Cheesy Creations here. Now that said that full jar for 3 pound, well, I just got 1.5 pounds here, more or less. So I'm going to just put a little bit half of this in here, maybe just a little bit more than half. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to take my handy dandy mixer here with my soft blades on it. Okay, now I'm going to take my chopper here and start working on these things just a little bit. Chopper, masher, whatever you want to call it. Get it started a little bit here. Boy, them look good right there now. If I set that on there, Kay's will kill me if she sees it. Now I'll take my mixer here, put it in here, and get going with them. Spatula over here. Now I guess it's more or less up to you how thick you want these things. Well, I'll tell you right now, let's try these. These look delicious right here. Let's put a little bit of parsley in there for some color here. A little parsley flakes. Yeah. I'll tell you, I don't think I want to mix them up much more than that. Well, that looks pretty good to me. Get a bowl out here so I can really try them. I'll tell you what, I'm glad I got that by mistake. Well, it sure does look good. Now you can use regular, the recipe says just regular russet potatoes, so you can use regular russet potatoes on there if you want to. And you can peel them or not peel them, either one you'd rather do. Just like I always use, just a little bit more salt and pepper. Just right. Goodness gracious. I'll tell you right now, if you like any kind of mashed potatoes, you really need to try these. These are delicious. So anyway, that's about it for this little video. If I can stop eating long enough to tell you. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I hope you come back and see me real soon. Hope until then y'all have a real good and safe day. And so until next time, goodbye now.